Good morning everyone. Welcome to Little Reporters. Today 17th July 2025. I am Mayuga from 7th A and I am joined today by Anushree also from 7th A. We will be bringing you important events that took place in our school over the past few days. Let's get started with the reports. Parpudukam. Parpudukam was the attractive event of the last week. The event is inaugurated by Premdas sir, RP of Kerala Shujitha Mission. Following that, Changadikuru Maram. An exchange of plants among friends took place. The stunning attraction of the event was the exhibition of useful material made from waste material. In connection with this exhibition, the students from 1st standard to 7th class created so many innovative products from recycled waste material.
Vertical farming or the vertical gardening is a technique where crops or plants are grown in vertically stocked layer. We, the 7th standard students of our school, also experimented a model of vertical farming. We planted some plants as the part of this experiment.
Our school organized a class PTA meeting in our previous day. Many parents attended the meeting and shared their valuable opinion of academic and other school activities.
Following that, we organized a grand function to congratulate our LSS and USS exam winner. Kolangod BPC Sri Harisandal sir gave away the memento. Adityan, Vidya and Aradhya all are eligible for LSS. And Bhavya, Shivani, Prarthana and Prajul have qualified for USS. After that, an informative session of effective parenting was conducted. Sri Harisandal sir explained the different stages of parenting in detail. Hello viewers. Now it is time to shift your attention to today's major headlines for leading newspaper. Let's go for it. Key result: Kerala syllabus students move Supreme Court against revised rank list. Heavy rain lashes Wayanad. Kozhikode entry ban in Mundakai Churalmala area tourism city should. Minister defends 204 working days for high schools, saying CBSE, ICSE students attend more classes. BJP leader Sadanandan Master nominated to Rajya Sabha.
Kerala government permits local bodies to kill deceased stray dogs. Rainfall batters northern Kerala, red alert in Kannur and Kasaragod district. Veteran Congress leader and former minister CV Padmarajan passed away. KSRTC lost 4.7 crore due to strike, said by Transport Minister Ganesh Kumar. That's all for this special bulletin. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon. We will see on the next bulletin. This is Mayuga and Anushree signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.